How to set up OBS Studio to stream on Twitch. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bastat, and today I'll guide you on how you can set up OBS Studio to stream on Twitch. Now, first you'll have to go through the basic steps. First, you want to create a scene. You can simply click on the plus icon down below scenes, and then you can name it. I'll just name it gaming scene, or you can name it gaming Twitch scene, and then click on OK. Once you have set it up, now you want to add sources to it. First, you want to go ahead and click on the plus icon, and then you want to click on video capture device since you want to add in a webcam. Then you want to go ahead and you can add it, but before it, you want to click on plus icon, and then here what you want to do is you want to select the display capture option, and then click on create new here. If you already have existing, you can click on it, and then you can click on OK, and then you can click on OK, and now you can see my display has started showing up here. Now you want to add webcam, so you want to click on plus icon there, and then click on video capture device, and then you want to select your webcam, so you can click on create new. OK, and now you can see my webcam. I've just hidden it, but you can see it, and then you can click on OK. If you have another device for the webcam, if you have another device, then set it up, and you can select it from here as well. Then click on OK, and now you can see here. Now if you want to resize it, you can resize it here, but if you want to add a circle to it, what you can do is here, I'll just select this option, video capture device, right click on it. You want to head into gaming scene option, and then click on filters. Under filters, you want to click on plus icon there, and you want to select the image or mask blend. OK, and now you will have to browse through your computer. Make sure to have a picture with circle in the middle, black picture, remember, with black background and white circle. I already have one, and I can click on it, and then now I can click on close, and now you can see my circle has been set. I'm having some errors here, so I'll just remove it for now, but this is how you can do it. And now once you have set it up, now what you want to do is you want to add in audio, right? Under sources, you want to click on plus icon again, and now this time you want to click on audio input capture, create new. OK, and then you want to select the device. In my case, my microphone access is turned off, so it's not showing up, but if you have set up another microphone or such, you can set it up from here, and here your audio input should show up if you have your audio. And now to set it up for Twitch, what you want to do is you want to click on settings at below controls. Under settings, you want to head into stream. Under stream, you want to select Twitch by clicking on it, and then use stream key option, click on use stream key, and you want to enter in your stream key here. Now remember not to share your stream key with anyone else. How you can get your stream key? First, you want to head into your browser and head over to twitch.tv. Now on the twitch.tv, you want to click on the profile icon at the corner here at the top right corner, and then you want to click on create a dashboard option. Under create dashboard here, you want to click on settings, and then you want to click on stream. Now you can see your primary stream key. You can copy it, and then you want to head over to OBS Studio, and you want to paste it here. And now you can simply go ahead and click on connect account, and then go ahead and apply it and start streaming easily. So this way you can connect OBS Studio and stream on Twitch. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.